model, 67-plate Peugeot Boxer 335L3 2.0 professional van 130 PS Euro 6 ULEZ spares OR repair window rack bargain. Body, white, panel van window rack van. Mileage, 100,827. MOT, 19 December 2024. Engine, 1997 CCDW10 FUD. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts on tow start, engine runs, headgasket needs replacing, coolant is pressurizing. Quick repair to get this back on the road. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition. Genuine honest work van. Features, 0 former keepers, full service history, air con, electric windows, parking sensors, cruise control. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 074011997.